Hey, to change screen lock type on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open the settings. Now you have to scroll down, select lock screen, and from this select screen lock type. Now input your current screen lock, click continue, and from this you can actually change between the PIN, password, pattern, swipe. So in my case, I'm going to get this password and I'm going to put 4 times 1. But I actually cannot do this because the password must contain at least 1 letter, so I want to actually skip to the simple pattern. I have to draw the pattern, click continue and draw again the same pattern. Then I have to click confirm and I can click OK. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.